morning. Good Friday pala ngayon. And siguro kung mapapanood nyo na to, tapos na tapos na ang Holy Week. Magbivisita iglesia kami ngayon. Dapat kahapon pala namin gagawin, kaso may mga lakad kami, and so ngayon na lang namin siya gagawin. Hindi namin ito nagagawa ever nung kahit na nung nandito na ako, pero sa Pilipinas kasi ginagawa namin ito. And
sila
this
lagi
year,
ginagawa saan? Sa Calgary. Today sila bisita. Iglesia?
iglesia. And this year, sabi ko kay Kim na siguro, sige gawin natin, wala naman tayong gagawin ngayon. But not because wala kaming gagawin, but because gusto namin gawin, kaya clear namin yung schedule namin ngayon. And yun na nga. Pero bago yan, dadaan muna tayo ng kape. Alam namin na fasting dapat, pero hindi talaga maka-function yung utak namin, or ako kung walang coffee or yung chan, kasi mahapdi na din yung chan ko. Anyway, yeah, samahan nyo kami guys.
So, we have decided na dito tayo sa Starbucks because may binigay sa atin na gift card.
Yeah.
Gift card, Starbucks credits. Gift card sila Angelo. Thank you. So, dito na lang tayo magkakape this morning.
We only have everything bagel. I'll just get the
May pimple ako.
I'll just get the bacon gouda and the egg.
Okay, bipili muna kami ng food. So, BRB muna. So, we're at our first church. St. Teresa's Parish. It's right here. St. Teresa's Parish. Yun. Parang hindi namin alam na may church dito. This is our first time at this church also. It's gonna be our first time on most of these churches except for one. So, yeah. So let's go inside, I guess. Yeah, okay. St. Teresa. Okay, so done here sa St. Teresa. Now we are going to Holy Cross. This was 10 minutes away from our house, from Starbucks, and then the next one is 9 minutes away from here. I think all of the churches are 10 minutes away from each other. So let's go drive. We are now
at Holy Cross.
Holy Cross Parish. Again, still in Burnaby. So yeah. Mas maraming tao dito. Yung kanina, 3 lang kami sa loob.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Holy Cross. Okay, so now we're done here.
We're going to St. Helen.
St. Helens. St. Helens Parish?
Helen's Parish.
Outfit check! Okay, so St. Helens tayo next. And that one is only 8 minutes away from here. Also, still in Burnaby. So, siguro nga within like 10 minutes yung mga yung mga churches. But yeah, let us go.
We are now at St. Helen's Catholic Church. Ito,
Yeah.
first time din namin dito. Maganda yung church nila sa labas, and we'll see sa loob.
Parang bibili tayo ng church. Gaganda din ng mga bahay dito. Tingnan niyo. Hindi. Lock ko. Nakalimutan ko i-lock. Okay. St. Helens Catholic Church. Yung mga churches dito, usually connected sila sa mga school or may mga school nearby. And then go.
Sunday, 8:30.
Ang ganda ng church na to, guys. Super nice. Ayun yung nila.
Even yung structure ng church nila.
Oo, ang
Looks
ganda.
like talaga.
Very Italian, no?
Yeah.
Very Italianesque.
Alam mo, pinakita mo na may 10 a.m. Italian na.
Hindi. Ito. 10 a.m. Italian. Actually, nakita namin yung priest or deacon dun sa loob. Tapos, he looks Italian, and then he also looks like a very wealthy Italian man. Pero also, tignan niyo yung mga bahay dito sa kapaligiran niya. They're very nice. Mga multi-million. Yan, siguro mga nasa 10 million yan, no?
Laki eh.
Yeah. Ganda. Wow. Someday, guys. Someday. Right. Off to our next church. Okay, our next church is St. Jude, and it is also 10 minutes away from here.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. So, like 10 minutes, 10 minutes, 10 minutes. Tapos, ganitong holiday kasi ngayon, start holiday. So, lahat ng tao nasa bahay, I guess, or siguro nag-out of town kasi wala masyadong traffic. So, it's a good thing. Anyways, right now it's 11:30, so we're gonna hit our next church. Alright, guys, we are now on our 4th church. This one is St. Jude. Malaking parking niya. Tapos, maraming tao dito, actually, kasi ang daming nakapark. No? I think, after each church, parami yung mga tao sa mga church na pinupuntahan namin. Tapos ngayon, nag-wonder kami, kasi dun sa last church na pinuntahan namin, which was St. Helens, yung Italian church, hindi naka-cover si God. Si Jesus. So, we're like, why?
Kayo ba, may answers ba kayo kung bakit?
If you're Italian and you happen to be watching a Filipino vlog, just tell us. Okay. Alright, punta na kami. Filipino yung priest nila dito, guys. Our next church is Lady of Fatima. Yeah. So, see you guys there sa Lady of Fatima.
Tama ba?
Ang ng church dito, may mga nagpa-practice na mga bata for mass. Tapos, malaki din yung church. And then, there's a strong Filipino community in this church kasi everyone, we're seeing our Filipinos. Yeah. Anyway, sige, next church na tayo. Our Lady of Fatima.
Okay, dito na tayo sa Our Lady of Fatima Portuguese Church. Walang tao, yeah. Pero may parking sila, maraming parking. So,
I wonder if open.
that's true. Ano na lang siguro.
We are on our 5th. I think this is the 5th church na. Ayan. Tignan natin kung bukas kasi mukhang walang tao eh. It's locked. What about the side doors? Locked. Maybe it's the other side door. Locked sila, guys. So we're looking for the Adoration Chapel. Okay, guys. So this one is closed. Kaya we're gonna go to another one. St. Joseph? we're gonna go to St. Joseph and then to Holy Family. Holy Family ba yung sinabi ko? To Holy Family. And then lastly sa St. Mary's. And then baka dadaan din tayo ng Winners.
Winners or Canadian Tire?
Canadian Tire and Winners kasi dun tayo sa Market Crossing and both of those are there. So yeah. Anyways, so St. Joseph tayo muna. It's about, I think, siguro less than 10 minutes away from here. Alright guys, we have arrived and ang daming commotion dito sa parish na to. Ang daming tao and ang daming nangyayari and ang dami nilang parking. May overground and underground.
Oo, tapos
So,
isa lang pala yung pasukan nila. Tapos akala namin na baka pang-exit yun.
So anyways, let's go. This one is in East Van. We're in East Van now. Pati yung isa kanina, East Van din yun. Yeah. Cute yung culture dito sa East Van is different than like Burnaby, anywhere else. May mga areas kasi ng Vancouver that's like distinct from each other. East Van is like, where the median level incomers live. And they're also very like artsy, very community based, all of that stuff. But anyways, let's go to the St. Joseph's Parish.
Yeah.
Here is St. Joseph Church. Wait, let me. St. Joseph. Cute din ng parish. Oh, okay. St. Joseph. Ganda din ng church. Ayan yung underground parking, overground parking, and yung mga houses sa East Van. Okay. Now, on to the next, church. Sixth church? Six na ba? Pang fifth ba to?
We're on for 6, yeah.
Okay. This is Corpus Christi Catholic Church.
And like the arches.
Yes. Ganda. Tapos may cross doon. Doon ata sa Tingnan nyo guys, ang ganda ng church.
It's locked.
Oh, wala bang pasukan? Ang ganda ng church. Ganda ng church na to, guys. Very, very nice. Okay. And our last church is, St. Mary's. Okay, guys. We are now on our 7th and last church for today. This is St. Mary's Church. St. Mary's Parish. Dito sa Joyce.
Malapit sa
Yeah.
malapit sa Joy Station.
Yeah. May dito. Dito kami dati nakatira sa may Cecil. Diyan. Next to the church lang. Tapos may mga Filipino mass din dito every Sunday. So, it's Mainly Filipino.
Filipinos. I think 3 p.m. ata yung Filipino mass nila. 3 or 2 ata. Oo, every Sunday.
Kaya dito sa katabi ng church na to, maraming Filipino restaurants.
Yeah.
Kaya
And
booming ang kanilang business kasi after church ng Sunday, doon sila
maraming
sa
kumakain.
Oo.
And dito din namin napabasbasan si Ed.
Truly. Tapos dito din, malapit din dito yung gusto ni Kat na turon.
Which reminds me, I gotta buy the ron.
Okay. We're gonna go muna. Guys, I'm so hungry. St. Mary's. Hi guys. Bumili kami ng turon as per usual. Tapos, kilala ng sikat dun sa sa store. Kasi nung pagpasok namin, sabi may turon. We've made it to Winners/Home Sense. It's the same store. Yeah. We forgot to vlog the rest of our lakad. But, napunta lang naman kami ng Canadian Tire after. Tapos, umuwi na rin kami. I got this at Canadian Tire for watering the plants. And we got some late lunch from Pokerito. And we have Portos from LA from Angeli. And and Yonhi and Pot. So yeah. That's probably it for the rest of the day. Honestly. So